Hello and welcome to our ride today. You join us when we just come across a combine harvester.
Look at this big tractor machine, combiner. You see?
A combine harvester, or combine, can do three separate things. Reaping, which means cutting and collecting the crops. Threshing, which is a process where you separate the yummy bits that can be eaten from the icky bits that can't. And winnowing, which is getting rid of any extra icky bits that are still there, like the chaff. So we're really separating the wheat from the chaff. Some of the crops that are harvested with a combine are wheat, oats, rye, barley, corn, soybeans, flax, sunflowers and quinoa. The waste straw left behind on the field consists of the icky, dry stems and leaves. However, these are considered yummy by some animals. For example, cows, sheep, horses and goats love to eat straw. I wonder if we'll spot any animals eating straw on our future rides.